Hi, in this video we're going to find the vertical distance or the horizontal distance between 2 points. So let's read the question. We want to find the vertical distance between the 2 points marked on the grid below. So these are the 2 points and we want to find the vertical distance. Now remember that horizontal means in this direction, going across like that. So that's horizontal. Whereas vertical is up, down, so that direction there. So that's vertical, like that. So we want to find the vertical distance, it's the second one. And that basically means what's the difference vertically like this between this point and this point here. So we just need to think how far we're going up or down in the vertical direction from this point to this point. Yep. Now, if I start from, say, this bottom point here, we want the vertical distance, so how far we want to go up, like this. And can you see, once I'm at this point here, I'm already at the right height. I've gone up the right vertical distance to get to the same height as where this point is. So that's going to be the vertical distance, and that's the length that I want. So all we need to do now is to think, well, what is the change vertically? And that will be the change in the y value, because look, the y value is how far we've traveled vertically. So let's read off these y values for this point here and this point here. So what's the y value of this bottom point? We can see that it is 20. And what's the y value of this point or this point? We can see that it's this value here. Well, it's halfway between 60 and 40, which is 50. So this point is 50. And therefore, the vertical distance we've traveled is the difference between this vertical height of 20 and this vertical height of 50. What's the difference between 20 and 50? You just subtract those values. So you do 50 minus 20, and that's going to give you 30. And therefore, the difference between these is 30, and that means the vertical distance, which is what we want, the vertical distance between this point and this point, we can see that vertical distance is 30.